What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So this is day 5 of me predicting exactly where the market will go. So how do we fare today? Well, I didn't predict exactly where it was going to go, like I did the last few days, but I was pretty much right. I was wrong about one thing, right about everything else. So I'll point that out to you. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and I will. Uh, if you want more content like this, again, this is today is a win. I was mostly right. I would say I was maybe 80% right in my predictions, as opposed to like 100% yesterday and the day before. So I'm still going to call that a win. As So here's what I do before the bell. I can see I have certain support and resistance levels that I look at. And before the bell, I was seeing that we had, I saw that we were going to drop. Um, if you go back here, here's my post from this morning. I said we have a big old wall at 591. If we can get over that, we have space to run. If we get pushed down, we have some light support. And this is the part I was wrong about. We have some heavy support in that 588, 589 area. Now, I did adjust this in real time. You can see here after the market opened here at about 9. So even before 10 o'clock, if we, I guess I said this wrong, but we had a big wall at 588. And if we lost that, 586 would be the next stop. That was at 956. Okay, so let's go to, I guess we can stay on the 5-minute chart, and we'll go to 956, which is right here. Let's see. Yeah, we can go the 1 minute. That's a little bit. It'll tell a little bit better story. So 956 was right here. Okay. And these puts printed for, I picked up 72%. And I think I sold somewhere around here. So they probably ran about 100% on the puts. And again, look at the infinity indicator, just saying, sell signal, sell signal. And then not only that, but I also called the bounce here at 585. Okay, right. I called the bottom, and I'll pull that up for you right here. Next support 588, 585 shits, 585 ish, but secure profits. So here we go at 1011. I'm saying I told you she was going to drop fast. And then when we do bounce, we have plenty of support till 588. Put this in your pocket. Put this in your back pocket for later. So this is at what, 1011, where I called this out. I'll just show you on the chart so you can see. 1011 is when I said, I told you she's going to drop fast, and she did. And then I said here at, what time is it? At 1014, I said there's strong support at the moment between 584 and 585. 1022, and then that was at 1014. You gotta have fun with this stuff, seriously, especially when you're making money. So 1014, and then at 10, so that was at 1014. I said, okay, watch for support here as we come to 585. Okay. And then at 1020, I could see that there were, that there were orders here. They were just sitting there like, what was it? What did I say? They're sitting there like crackheads waiting for, to be served up. I mean, it just bounced hard there. And like I said, we had room to run to about the 588 area. And then I even called a pullback here. Neck resistance, I should have said 587.50 to be more precise. I just said above 587. And then would you look at that? 587.70, we reversed, and we had a pullback, and we pulled all the way back to about 585.50 here. And then we did hit that 588 level. Like I talked about, we had plenty of room to run to the 588 level, which it did eventually get there and above there. And then I was done for the day. Obviously, I could sit here and do this all day, but what's the point? I was done trading, count of 5% for the day within the first 2 hours. Again, this is the fifth day in a row I've been done trading before lunch. Make sure you're following this stuff, guys. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Again, this is day 5 of 5 where I pretty much told you where the market was going, and it went exactly. Well, I can't say exactly because there was this little blip here, but after that, it went exactly where I told it was going to go. So, no tool is going to work 100% of the time. Okay, it's not going to happen. But when you have these tools, like the infinity indicator, look at this fucking thing. You know, you really don't need anything else. But when you add these other things in it, like order flow, like support and resistance, it just makes the game so much easier. Right now I just feel like we're clicking on all cylinders here. And again, if you want a trial for the infinity indicator, go ahead, send me a DM, find me on Facebook, MT Investment Group. The Discord is free. It's in the comments. You can follow us there. I'm sorry, the chat in the Discord is free, and there's some free channels in there. All this information is paid premium information I share with my premium group. But I do share some of this stuff, like some of the stuff was in the chat today. So that's all free information. So use the tools that you have available to you. And again, I can't call it any better. I'm giving you the tools that I'm using, and it's up to you if you want to use them. So again, like and subscribe, leave a comment below. Is this something that you think you would find useful in your trading? Catch you in the next one, guys.